How to make money online with Amazon FBA. Let's face it, when people dive into the world of Amazon FBA, they're not just looking to break even. Whether it's a side gig, a hobby, or a full-time venture, the goal is clear: make money. And yes, you absolutely can make a profit with Amazon FBA in 2023. FBA, short for Fulfillment by Amazon, is a fantastic opportunity for budding e-commerce entrepreneurs. Why? Because you can kickstart your venture without fretting over where to store your products. Amazon takes care of it all. They store your inventory in their FBA warehouses, handle the picking, packing, and even ship your products directly to your customers. It's like having your own personal team of elves, ensuring your products reach your buyers hassle-free. To embark on your Amazon FBA journey, research is your best friend. Start by delving into Amazon's wealth of information. Utilize their bestseller ranking to identify trending products. The higher the rank, the more profitable. Keep an eye on product reviews to gauge market competition, and stay updated with current trends as the market evolves. Google Trends is another invaluable tool. By exploring search trends, you can understand not just what people are interested in, but also when. This insight helps you predict the ideal times to market your products effectively. Instagram, too, offers a goldmine of information. Treat it as a search engine. Hashtags are your keywords. Investigate relevant hashtags to gauge a product's popularity and potential market on the platform. Instagram can be a powerful advertising channel if utilized wisely. When in doubt, consider going niche. Niche products attract a more focused audience, increasing the likelihood of immediate purchases. By focusing on niche keywords and hashtags, you sidestep competition and cater to a specific market segment. Additionally, leverage your location to your advantage. Amazon operates globally, but local sellers often have an edge. Consider selling products not readily available in your area. Local buyers prefer sellers from their region due to reduced shipping costs. Now, TikTok is also a great way to research your product. TikTok has a user base that buys the trend. And so if you can find a product that is going to trend, you can make huge sales and fast. Lastly, trust your instincts. After thorough research, your gut feeling often guides you in the right direction. Remember, choosing the right product is just the beginning. There's more work ahead, but the only thing stopping you is yourself. So, trust your research, follow your instincts, and dive into the world of Amazon FBA with confidence. Now that you've stepped in with your products ready, let's see how it's done. Select your niche and product. Before diving into your Amazon FBA journey, choose a specific niche and the product you want to sell. It's tempting to sell everything, but focusing on one niche streamlines your efforts. Research products within the $10 or $50 price range, which usually attract more customers. Use tools like Seller App for product research, considering factors like popularity and sales rank. Find reliable suppliers. Locate high-quality product suppliers or manufacturers. Gather comprehensive details about the supplier and product specifications to ensure quality. Sign up for Amazon FBA. Create an Amazon FBA account. Visit Amazon.com, click Sell on Amazon, and choose between sell as an individual or sell as a professional. Set up your account and add FBA to start selling through Amazon's fulfillment service. Create your product listing. Access your Amazon Seller Central account and click Add Product. Opt for Create a new product listing in your chosen category. Fill in essential details such as titles, descriptions, images, and videos. Optimize your listing for better visibility and higher sales. Prepare products for shipment. Prepare your products for shipping to Amazon's fulfillment center. Properly pack and label items to ensure safe transportation. Ship your products. Create a shipping plan. Print Amazon shipment ID labels and send your products to the designated Amazon warehouse. Amazon will determine the appropriate warehouse for your items. Non-FBA sellers can explore Seller Fulfilled Prime, SFP, but must meet specific criteria, including a strong sales history and positive seller feedback. Launch and market your product. Now, it's time to launch and market your products. Utilize various strategies such as Amazon PPC advertising, social media promotion, and other paid advertisements. Implement discounts or offers to entice customers. These marketing efforts will boost sales and increase your product's visibility on Amazon. And that will get you started with Amazon FBA. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below and I'll answer them.